What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. So y'all, you have all seen the title, Jamaicans cannot be successful on YouTube, but that is not really the case. Basically what I'm trying to say is it's harder for Jamaican YouTubers. Alright, so I'm going to have to use the microphone on my phone because the wind in the camera, you cannot hear a damn thing I am saying, and it's gonna piss me off if I watch back this video and you can't hear nothing. So yeah, let's move this to the phone. What was I saying again? Oh yeah, it's really hard trying to find content that people actually like and then trying to make original content to post. And when you do post it, people don't even appreciate all the time and effort you put into making that video. People are even so quick to just dislike the video. I mean, not everybody can take hate, and honestly, it demotivates some YouTubers. This is not just specific to Jamaicans, but I'm just saying in general, this does demotivate some YouTubers and it makes them not even want to make any more videos at all. So why not just click out of the video if you don't like it? Like, why do you have to put a dislike button there? Why does YouTube even have a dislike button there? Yeah, the next point on the list, as I was saying before, is that we do not get the support of our own. They're basically saying that Jamaicans are not as good as some American YouTubers or British YouTubers or whatever. Bear in mind, some of us are literally starting from the bottom. We're using phones, iPods, things that do not have the best quality. Our sound may not be the best, but we're trying. I mean, ordering products online is not the easiest thing to be done in Jamaica, right? It is not easy, and not everybody can just go fly up and go buy some equipment and come back down, have lighting, backdrop, camera, and all of that stuff. It does not work like that. It does not work like that. Some of us are just really fortunate. You might have a 1 and 2 link and say, yo, when you go up, you can carry this down for me and whatever, right? But not everybody's that fortunate to have all these things. So why are you not going to support your own just because they don't have the best equipment? They may have some really good content, but I mean, the camera quality is just a little wonky or something. You can still support them. Why not support them? I try my best to support all Jamaican YouTubers that I know. Like, I really don't do YouTube for money because that was not the intention. My initial intention was basically to just help other people with their natural hair journey or whatever else they ask of me, until, you know, I realized that you can monetize your videos and all of that. I'm still not getting any money, for those of you who are asking, and people who keep coming to me saying, oh yeah, I make enough YouTube money. I'm not making anything, in all honesty. So yeah, and because we're not getting a lot of money, well, I don't know about the Jamaican YouTubers, you know, I know about me. So because I am not getting any money, I can't even say, oh, I'm gonna quit school and use YouTube to be my full-time job. What Jamaican have you ever heard say that? But you can go on some American YouTubers page right now, or wherever else. I'm just using America as the general YouTuber thingy because most of the YouTubers I used to watch are American. I still watch mostly American YouTubers because I can barely find Jamaican YouTubers. And it's just like recently, Jamaicans can even monetize their videos because we couldn't. And even up to this day, we still can't get sponsorship content on our page because we can't enable that in our country. Why not? Why not? I really want to know, YouTube, why can't we have certain features that other people can have? What's the difference between us and them? You know, another thing, everybody and their mother, they're on YouTube. Like, a lot of YouTubers just come on YouTube these days for the money. They think they're going to get like $1 million on YouTube when it does not work like that. They don't realize that they have to put time and effort into everything where it relates to publishing that one video. And they just think that the first video they upload is going to go viral. It does not work like that. Right now, the most views I have gotten on a video is 4.7K, and that video went up last year. It's almost been up for a whole year. I mean, I'm thankful that it got that far, but you know, some people have it lucky them upload one video and it just takes off into 100,000 views. How? I don't know, but I have never seen a Jamaican's video just go viral like that. I have never seen it on YouTube. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I have never seen it. And why? Why? YouTube picks what is trending. Even the other day when a certain YouTuber posted a man who committed suicide, that was trending. Why was that trending and not someone talking about something beneficial to economy or society or whatever? You see, I'm rambling. But all these things, I just wonder, like, why? Why? And because everybody and their mama on YouTube, that's when they realize that YouTube takes a lot of time, because just to post a video, it may take a couple hours. And that is how some people just fall off, because they are not committed. They don't have the patience or the tolerance to do what it takes to be a YouTuber, right? And then there are just less and less and less of us, and there should be more of us because we're very talented people, and I think that we should showcase our talents by using this platform. So yeah, people always passing, and sometimes I feel awkward when I'm in the middle of a sentence. So sometimes I'll just stop, or you see me looking around, that's because, yeah, people are passing. Another reason why it is so hard for Jamaican YouTubers to get anywhere is because we don't help each other. For what reason? I don't know. Well, I do know the reason. It's basically because, say for instance, I have 1,000 subscribers and somebody that's asking me for help has, say for instance, 700 subscribers. I not go and help them, because if I help them get subscribers and they pass me, I'm going to feel bad, and they're going to get more views and they're going to get more money and this and this and that. I'm going to bad mind them, and then I'm going to unsubscribe and not talk to them anymore. Like, I mean, I don't do that because I actually try to help people as best as I can. But there are people that are like that. And it's not even only Jamaicans, but as I said, I'm speaking from a Jamaican perspective. Zine, where you get out of that? How is it that you're bothered by somebody else being successful? I am rooting for everybody. If you're being successful in life, hats off to you. Congratulations. I hope that I can get to that level. So I'm going to push myself and try to get to that level, even though I'm the one that helped you. Sometimes I just like going in life. You get a new job. There's somebody there that's supposed to train you. You end up getting a promotion and they're still where they are in the beginning. That might hurt still, but I mean, at the end of the day, you just try to push yourself to be better instead of bad mind people. Another thing, Jamaicans love drama. They love the foolishness. They love the mix up. They love when Shelly and Tina fight and they have beef, and they want them post it on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, or Instagram Live, so they can sit down and watch it and pick a side. Why? Why don't you sit down and go read something about net neutrality or mental health or body positivity, tax returns, something that may be beneficial to you? No, you want to sit down and watch mix up. Like, sometimes I really want to be posting some videos that may be beneficial to my subscribers. What about depression? I know a lot of people are depressed, but because they live in this rough and tough mentality, they're like, oh no, just go and hold it, tough it out, you see it. Like, people want to see, I know people are out there that would like to see those videos, but sometimes I don't want to post them because I know that a lot of people won't watch it. Or maybe I should say, because I'm not well known and my subscriber count is not like 100,000, nobody will be interested in what this little Jamaican girl from, they don't know me from anywhere. They won't listen to what I have to say. So it's like I have to try to post videos relating to what's trending so I can get views, and that's not what I want to do. People always telling me to do a damn challenge. Me not have no friend. Me not have time for do no blasted challenge. I don't always want to do a challenge. And then when I do them, I still don't watch them. So what's the sense? Might as well just do what I want to do. If you don't want to watch, then you just don't watch. At the end of the day, it's my channel and I do what I want. And the last thing that gets on my nerves, when I type in anything on YouTube about Jamaican YouTubers, or even this topic, I typed in this before I started recording. Why is it hard for Jamaicans to have a YouTube channel? And I found nothing. I found one video, and that was naturally Miss Toya's video talking about the similar topic. I can't remember the exact topic of her video, but it was similar to this, and her video was the only video I found on this topic, and I found that really, it was pissing me off, because I'm like, there's nothing that I can find about Jamaicans. Like, we need to do better. Like, we need to try to come together and support each other and uplift each other instead of tearing each other down, give each other tips where we can. We just need, I don't know. If we don't help each other, we're not going to go anywhere. We're not going to reach very far on YouTube. And that is why I came to the conclusion that Jamaicans just cannot be successful on YouTube. Agree, disagree, share your opinion. This is what I have to say. I just really feel the need to rant sometimes. And honestly, I'm going to do more videos like this. If you don't like them, then just don't watch them. But I will be doing some more ranting videos. I have so much to talk about, and I don't have any friends to talk to. So instead of literally talking to myself, why not take up my camera and talk to my camera? Like, that's the best thing I could do. So yeah, if you like this video and you kind of get an idea of why we suffer and all of that, then just like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, even though half of you still won't see it pop up on your phone or watch it, but still do it. And see you in my next video. Bye.